Morning everyone, how are you? Oh, I don't know where the time's going to. It's the 21st of December. Oh, we've got what, 3 more shopping days after today? I really don't know where it's going to. But anyway, you ready? On the 21st of December, Karen gave to thee the second part of my mystery pin unboxing. I hope I get no doubles, cause else I'll have to trade away. You ready? Hit it, maestro. Excited, are you ready for this? I love saying this bit. Ready? Ready? Morning everyone, good health to you. If you're new to my channel, thanks so much for coming over. We like to have lots of fun on here, that's my plan. We're going to do as we always do, start with the advent calendars and then we'll go on to the unboxing. But cheers, good health. I've got my Florida mug again, feeling really festive. Oh, I'm so excited. Don't think I've got any presents, mind. No, I think Santa sent a lot for the children, I've got a feeling, but I don't think I've got anything. But never mind, I have stuff all year, don't I? Look at my pins. Anyway, glasses on, I can see. Right, chocolate, shall we find where we are today? Can you tell it's a bit brighter today? I've still got the lights on. It's lovely and sunny outside, so I like that. But Christmas Day, I like snow. I like it to snow because it's like Bing Crosby. It's just really romantic, isn't it? And then I like it to go by Boxing Day. That's my plan. Right, where are we? Let's find my chocolate. Not many left and I still can't find them. Here we go. What have we got today? And we've got another little bell ornament there. Is it one to show you? Just a little one there. So, and what chocolate have we got? The important bit is the chocolate. We've got another snowman. Is it a snowman or a teddy bear? It's a teddy bear. I think it might be. Do you know what it is? It's a teddy bear snowman. Covering all my options today. So there we have my little chocolate. Gone. Full moon, half moon, no moon. Are you doing this? You should be doing it. No one can tell you off, it's the law. In the UK, in Karen's house, it's Karen's law that you eat chocolate with a cup of tea first thing. So you can tell your family I said it was okay. That's nice. It's nice, isn't it, when you can set your own laws in your own house? I was born to be a princess, but it never quite worked out, so I'd just be the law in my house. Right, pin! Should we do pin first today? Right. Where are we? Where are we? There we go. Here, got one here today. Right. Now, this one always reminds me of my friend, Melissa and Mitzi. And the reason it reminds me of my friends is because of the beautiful red hair. And both of the girls were born with beautiful red hair. So I just think it looks very, very much like them. See, girls, you've always been princesses. Right, there we go. And then on the back there, you got your limited edition. Oh, isn't she beautiful? I think she's really beautiful. Right, my tree, I've got my tree standing up. It's gonna collapse when I move it. Right. There we go. And she's under Flounder, and then she's under Tinkerbell. No, she's under Lumiere and Flounder. And then mermaid. And we only just started, there's not much hope really, is there? Right, so I put that over there so it doesn't fall. Right, zoom. Forget where I'm at, I've got them all on the table here, it's daft. Look, we're on the bottom row. Right. This is Dale. No, it's Dale because he's got a red nose. And Chip has got a brown nose because he's a chocolate chip. Do you like that? I didn't know that. That's how I remember. And he's dressed as a snowman. Oh, that's lovely. I'll just check. And yes, it is Dale. I was right. So there we go. Oh, isn't he lovely? Oh, I really love these. So lovely. Apart from this tag. Oh my word. Anyway, I digress. So that's my little Dale snowman. So thank you for everyone who's been telling me they're wearing outfits. I am listening. So yeah, so thank you. So put him behind. There we go. I haven't told Phil yet for Christmas Eve. He's got Phil Christmas, so I'm going to put them all in. We'll see how that one pans out. And then the Animators calendar. So number 20. I was going to do 24 then. Honestly, Karen, right, 21. And then on here, look, we've got the bottom row left now. That's it. Yay! Right. Who am I going to speak to in January if I can't speak to you? Who am I going to speak to? Well, I'll speak to you twice a week, but I'm going to get lonely, aren't I? Now, this is most definitely Pascal. And he's most definitely dressed up. And I don't know why he's dressed up. But he is dressed up. Look at him. Oh, I know he's a chameleon. I know he's a chameleon. Can you believe it? I'm in touch. So, yeah. But look at him. It's almost like he's wearing her dress. Oh, that's lovely. Oh, good morning, haven't I? I've known everything. That's a first. So yes, another cup of tea, and then should we do our pins? Right, save me taking the photo off the tripod. I moved back in here after our Christmas tree yesterday because it was a nightmare trying to edit it all because it kept focusing on the lights behind me. So at least with this one, where I am in here, I can see if it's focusing on there or there to a point. So that's why we're back in here today. But what I'm going to do is I've taken a photo of the pins we got last time because I've got 5 more boxes of these. We opened 4 the other day, quite a few days ago, but we opened 4 of these and I've got 5 more boxes. So there's actually, if you remember, there's 12 in the set. So there's 12 in that set, of which I got 6 pins and 2 doubles. So I need 6 more and I've got 10 possibilities. And I don't know if you also remember, I was really stumped with these and I couldn't understand it because on the back of every pin, I'll show you one, it says it's a limited edition of 400. If you see, it's right at the bottom there. You see limited right there, it says it just there. 400, let's see if I can come in closer. So every single one I opened, it says 400, because I thought, well, maybe some was smaller. But then on the back of the box at the top, it says limited edition of 2,400. And if you did 400 by the 12 pins, that's 4,800, not 2,400. Because I wondered if that was what they were doing with these. But anyway, I reached out to James at Pin Pals. If you've not checked his channel out, go and check him out. He lives in Vegas. Lucky thing, James. He's got 2 wonderful daughters and they do unboxings, and James gets to go to all the D23 events and he gets all of these things really, really quickly. So I reached out to him and I said, did you solve the mystery? And he didn't. And the only thing that he could think of, and I think it's quite a logical explanation, is on the back when they did the moulds, maybe they've missed the 2 off. So instead of being 400, it should say 2,400. But I've never found out. So if you know why on the back of the pin it says 400, but on the box it says 2,400, let me know. Put me out of misery. Let me sleep at night. I don't have to stay awake wondering about the worries of the world. My head when I hit that pillow. I face plant the pillow. Do you face plant the pillow? I've only got false eyelashes, it's no good. I face plant that pillow and I am out. Worries of the pin world. Anyway, I do that enough of that in the day, don't I? So, shall we start? Shall I stop talking? Right, so, oh, I see that's really weird because the box was completely sealed. Look, it's open. Oh, and these ones, these 5 boxes, they were picked up by my great friends over at Collectible Theme Park Items. I put that across the bottom because these pins were only available in Disneyland. You couldn't get these in Walt Disney World. They were in Disneyland. And my friends there, they are so fabulous. Love them to pieces, as they know. So if you're looking for a pickup over that neck of the woods, go and check them out. They're on Instagram, they're on Facebook, they're on practically every social platform going. Yeah, really, really lovely people. So go check them out. Right, so let's have a look. So this bag isn't sealed, which is really strange. Right. Oh, I've got another double. So I've got two spares of him now. I've had 3 of him. So that's no good, is it? We don't like that. Right, next one. It's because I didn't throw the box over my shoulder. I just threw it on the floor. And then, oh, I've got another one of him. This isn't a nice box. We don't like this box. Don't like this box. And we've got another one of him. I'm not sure he is. You know, some of these characters, they look a bit like the characters from Warner Brothers movies. You know, like Tweety Bird and Sylvester and all of those characters. They look a bit similar, so it, yeah, throws me off. Right, I remember the days in the UK when we used to have a Warner Brothers shop inside Merry Hill shopping centre. Oh, and these ones are sealed, so they obviously didn't heat seal them, so box. Will it bring us luck? Oh, my scissors are over there. You don't need scissors, Karen. You've had a chocolate, you're feeling strong. Yeah, I've got a new one. I like new ones. And I've got the DuckTales. So this is one of the TV ones. So yeah, next. As Ryan would say, right off the rip. Is that right? Have I got that right, Ryan? Well, that's no good. You didn't bring me any luck. I've got another Darkwing. So he is also a trader. So I've got him. Right. 3 boxes left. 6. And I need 5 pins. So the chances are like... Box. Right, let's have a look. No, I've got another one of these guys. I'm sure he's Baloo. I'm sure he probably isn't. He's probably a park ranger. But yeah, I've got another duplicate of him. Oh, I'm not doing so well. Oh, right. No, I'm really not doing so well. And I've got another one of him. So I've got traders. So if you haven't completed your set, you know who else has? And I hate not completing, don't you? It drives me bonkers. It's like the Cinderella. You saw my Cinderella unboxing, and that is now complete. Yes, I do throw a lot of boxes at it because I know when we trade, because someone's got the pin I want, it doesn't mean I've got the pin that they want. So I like to have a few. So hopefully I've sort of cornered my bets. And then after Christmas, I'll be either trading or selling those. But just not this side of Christmas. Obviously, it's too close and nothing will get there. And the mail's mad. And I really don't want to be putting pins in the mail this time of year. And I've missed the deadlines for America if it's over in America. But yeah, I hate having uncompleted boxes. Mystery box sets. It drives me potty. Right. Threw them over there. Maybe I shouldn't throw them. Maybe that's not bringing me luck this time. Right, let's have a look. Who's this? Yeah! I've got a new one. I've got the tailspin. Oh, that's really nice. I have not a clue who the characters. Oh, go on, tell me. You got to tell me. But I love it, and I love them like this TV. I think it's very sort of 1970s. I think it's very Walt Disney when he was on the TV doing his first broadcasts. I think it's, yeah, I think it's lovely. And this one, oh no, I've got a new one of these. Is that Scrooge McDuck? I think it might be. But yeah, oh yeah. So right, I've got 9 now. 1 box. Oh, okay. 9 and a lot of traders. Right. Right. It's, and I've got another one of him. Another one. You decorate your room with him, couldn't you? I've got that many. And then, oh, and I've got another Scrooge. Never mind. So I've got 9. So should we figure out who I need? So I've just cheated. I've just got a pen because it's easier than trying to point them out. So those are the 3 I need. So those are the 3 I need. So if you've got these 3, please message me below and we can organise a trade after Christmas in the new year. Fingers crossed. Wish me luck. Fingers crossed someone's got them. See, it's good this, isn't it? I've got a social platform to get pins. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Hope you've enjoyed today. It's a lovely day, especially in the UK. Have a wonderful day. Get yourself ready so you can really enjoy the next few days on the build up to Christmas, because I think that's the most magical. If you've enjoyed this, please give me the thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. It'll mean so much to me. And there's a link coming at the end, which my friend Melissa has to show me how to do. I haven't got a clue how to do that. Yeah, so just click that in. It's free to subscribe. It just means I come up in your newsfeed, that's all. And if you click the notification bell as well, it means you'll get an email to say I've uploaded a video, and then you can choose if you want to watch it, so you're always in the loop. But thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. Take care. Be safe. Be good. If you can't be good, really have fun. And I'll see you really soon. Tomorrow soon. Take care, everyone. Bye for now. Bye.